They've not been to the refinery. Mr. President has not been to the refinery. Dangote is the biggest industrialist in Africa. He's built a refinery that is doing 48 million liters of PMS a day. It has 177 tanks, and it has 4 billion liters of multi-product storage. This month, he's having to import 12 million barrels of crude oil from outside Nigeria, mostly from the US. Does it make sense that you have a country that is a major producer, a member of OPEC, and you're importing crude oil from Iraq, from America, from Angola, from Libya, from different parts of the world? Does it make sense? In violation of Section 109 of the PIA that talks about domestic production fulfillment and domestic supply obligation. It's a law. Does it make sense?
So, I ask a direct question, and it's for the interest of the Nigerian people. Whatever the politics that is going on in the energy sector, which is sickening, which for me is annoying, when some of these things are not straightforward. But what worries me, one, pricing. Secondly, is the safety of the product that is being churned out. Either the ones are being imported, or the product that is coming from Warri or Port Harcourt, are they safe for consumption?
The only product in Nigeria that I can, categorically say meets up with global testing standards, and this is because the Dangote is exporting aviation fuel to the UK. The UK has some of the highest American Society of Testing Materials standards for testing gasoline product, white transportation fuels. Yeah, it has some of the highest standards in the world. One of the proofs that you're producing products that are globally recognized and safe according to the law internationally is that you're exporting to these developed markets. So the question is, if Warri is producing products that are certifiable by the provisions of the PI, why are they not exporting to other parts of the world?
So you've made some very, very far-reaching and very, very controversial statements. You are saying Nigeria is bringing into, we're getting product up to the tune of about 4 billion barrels in just about 4 months, an average of 1 billion barrels per month.
Yes.
And this is not making sense. The numbers are not making sense considering
that Warri 600 million liters of product storage or PMS.
If Port Harcourt are being said to be producing and Dangote is producing optimally,
yes,
right? Yes. We shouldn't be importing those products. That means there are private interests that the reason for those importations. Is that what it means?
So,
or the NNPC is not telling us the truth.
So,
is that what it means?
The tank farm business of importing low quality products that are cured in Malta, and then products that are imported by other international traders. Some of them are moderate quality but doesn't really meet up with the specification into Nigeria and putting premium landing price in the market is a very profitable business. The business of landing it at tank farms in Apapa and putting it at those bulk tank farms at a throughput cost about $2.09 per liter per metric ton is a very profitable business. This cartel doesn't want to stop. What the regulator and the government should be sitting down with all stakeholders is telling them that the time is up for us to be spending our precious FX either through crude oil swaps or through actual FX to import these products, because we now have domestic refining capacity, and transit the owners of those tank farms into the value chain in the market, distribution for the local markets. NNPC has 22 depots. When the Petroleum Equalization Fund was created by Decree 9 in 1975, it says that they were going to create like a system for equalization of petroleum price around Nigeria. When it was amended by Act Decree 32 in 1989, it says that that cost to be built into the consumer. And the monies gotten from the consumers will now be used as bridging allowances to the marketers for distances above 450 kilometers. Yeah? Those depots are not currently in operation, and you have a system where companies take products through trucks from the countries at the refinery, they take products through vessels to tank farms and the store. And you don't have uniform pricing of petroleum products around Nigeria.
Let me ask you, those products that are being produced, brought into the country, I imagine that they will be more expensive than the products that are being refined locally.
The reason why they are not more expensive is because the quality of the products does not meet up with the convention that was set up by ECOWAS at their 2020 conference.
Who are these marketers bringing these products into the country? Are they local marketers, foreign marketers?
So they are the usual suspects. If you look at the motor vehicle tanker report, you see the names of the marketers who bring in products into NNPC.
And they're labeled by NNPC.
NNPC also lands products. I just told you that this month of January, NNPC imported